Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I have a little Elden Ring tutorial video for you. I'm going to show you how to get around 70,000 runes just early on in the game. You can do this right off the bat, or especially if you're struggling to level up, you can follow these steps and you can get a bunch of runes where you can level up pretty quickly early on in the game. So here I am right here at the beginning of the game. And now we want to get over to this spot here, which is the Third Church of America. And so I'm going to place a little beacon right there, and then we'll just head on out. And I'm going to speed it up a little bit, but not too much, because sometimes people get lost when it goes too fast. So let's cruise on over there. Made a little wrong turn. I forgot about that ravine right there. We want to go around that. So just pretty much follow that road. And don't worry about all the enemies along the way. Just keep on cruising on your horse. And once we get to the Third Church of America, make sure to rest, or at least grab the grace there. Now I want to tell you, if you'll want to have a weapon that does bleed. I am the samurai. My katana has bleed already, but if you don't have a samurai build, that's okay. I will show you where you can get this mace or morning star that's in my hand here. Now what you want to do is I'll open up the map, and you want to cruise down to the Weeping Peninsula, just right past the bridge right there. There's going to be a broken down caravan, and in the back of that wagon there will be that spiked mace or the morning star. So you'll want to just run down there with your horse and pick that up, and then you can just fast travel back to the Church of America. Alright, so once we are here, we're just going to go over here and jump out this window. And then right around this pond, we're just going to go to the very end of this pond, and there will be a portal. So we're going to travel to another location, hit yes. And that's going to take us to Grail's Dragon Barrel. Now, you are way too low level probably to be in this location right now, because everything here will kill you like with a couple hits. But it's okay, we're just going to run past everything just to get to the farming location. So we'll just turn around here, and don't mess with that gargoyle because he will wallop you for sure. Just hop on your horse and just we want to go over to the bridge, which is the Faerun Great Bridge. And you really don't need to mark it because it's just going to be easy to follow the road. And as you pass up the golden tree, make sure to pick up that seed. And then we're going to go down here and pick up the grace, just so we have it. And then we're going to run across the bridge and go right past that dragon. Shouldn't attack you, just keep going past it. Should be able to go underneath the legs or around the wing. And then turn to the right, and you want to hug the side of it because there's an enemy, an Erdtree enemy up there, guardian, and you don't want to fight that thing. It'll destroy you right now. So just go right past it. Hug to the right on this little road, and we're going to keep taking this around. And then go up the rocks here, and then on the left you're going to see this giant white old looking dragon, decrepit looking dragon. It is alive but can't really do anything to you. So it's just sitting there. But there are these little dragons right next to it, and they will attack you. I don't recommend attacking them. Just avoid them. Go around to the back of the dragon, and then come around to this side of the dragon, kind of at the armpit here, right by the wing, and get off your horse. And now you're going to just start attacking it with that spiked mace or with the katana, just something that has bleed on it. And you're just going to sit there and attack it for 5 to 10 minutes, and it's just going to take down the health, and eventually you will kill this dragon. It'll give you 50k runes, but it also is going to kill those little dragons right around it, which will give you another additional like 20,000 runes. So all in all, you'll get 70,000 runes. And if you have one of the golden feet or silver feet, it'll give you another bonus, like 20% extra runes as well. Now you have about 70k extra runes that you can level up your guy really early on in the game, and that can help you out, get you started. Hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Hopefully it was helpful for you. If so, make sure to give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. Take care.